What's up, homeowners? I'm Jim from Fixr.com, and anyone who knows me knows I'm serious about my hygiene. Today, I want to answer the age-old question everyone asks when they're building a new home or doing a big remodel. Should I get a bathtub or a shower for my bathroom? Now, for a lot of people, the answer to this question comes down to what they want their hygiene regimen to look like. A shower is generally better for people who prefer a quick, practical wash before they head to work. A simple shower won't do much for your stress levels, but it will have you fresh as a daisy and on your way to the office in no time. Tubs, on the other hand, are much better for long, relaxing baths before bed. Some even feature deluxe jacuzzi-style accessories like jets to help reduce stress and muscle pain. Even without these gizmos, though, you can turn any tub into a luxurious spa with candles, essential oils, and Epsom salts. Personally, I like to dim the lights and throw on a little Enya while I soak. Now, these differences really just come down to individual preference, which can make it hard to choose if you feel neutral about bathing versus showering. Luckily, there are a few objective metrics that can help determine if a shower or a tub is right for your bathroom. First up is price, and tubs are almost always the clear winner here. That said, the price of any plumbing fixture will depend on its design, how large it is, what it's made from, and what add-on features you want. For example, you can save money on a tub or bath by opting for a model in a standard size. If you want something uniquely fitted to your bathroom, you can pay extra to get a custom shower or bath that's perfectly designed to fit the space. Additionally, baths and showers made from acrylic and fiberglass can be very affordable, while tubs made from granite, copper, or marble can cost thousands of dollars to install. Similarly, deluxe showers lined with high-end materials like authentic stone slabs or glass tiles cost significantly more than basic acrylic options. Lastly, tubs and showers can feature useful add-ons like shelves, benches, grab bars, and slip-resistant floors. Each of these features will increase your price, sometimes significantly, but they'll also make your fixture work better for your situation. All of these variables make it hard to confidently say that tubs are always cheaper than showers. If you get a huge clawfoot tub with air jets and grab bars, it will probably cost more than a small prefabricated acrylic shower. But we can say that tubs are almost always thousands of dollars cheaper than showers of similar quality. Next up, let's talk about size. While you can get custom tubs and showers in just about any size you want, standard showers only take up about 10 square feet of floor space. Tubs are usually much larger, and the average tub takes up somewhere around 15 square feet of floor space. That means that showers work way better in small bathrooms where space is limited, but tubs are only a good option for huge master bathrooms. That's one win for showers and one win for baths. For our next round, we're going to talk about one area that really sets the two apart: water usage. Pop quiz hotshot. Do showers or baths use more water? If you answered baths, you're correct! It's actually a common misconception that baths conserve water better than showers. According to the EPA, most shower heads only use about 2.5 gallons of water per minute. This means that during an 8-minute shower, you probably only consume about 20 gallons of water. If you get a high-efficiency shower head, you can lower your water consumption even further. Now, compare this to the 40 or 50 gallons of water needed to fill a standard tub before you can really soak in it, and it's clear that showers are better for Mother Earth than tubs, especially if you use them with the same frequency. And since it takes more hot water to fill a tub than to shower, taking a bath can be a bigger strain on your water heater. This means that if you have a low-capacity heater, bath time might completely drain the tank for a few hours afterward. If your spouse or roommate wants to wash up immediately after you, this could land you in hot water. Next, let's talk about accessibility. Because tubs have tall rims you have to step over to get in, they can be a hazard for the elderly and people with mobility impairments. The bottoms of walk-in showers, though, usually sit flush with the floor, making them much easier to get in and out of, especially if the shower includes some non-slip tiles. This alone can be a deal breaker for tubs if you or someone you live with has a hard time stepping over knee-high barriers. On the other hand, tubs can be a better option for new parents because they offer a safer and more convenient way to clean babies and toddlers. In a shower, there's usually a much greater risk of slipping, especially for little kids, and it's easier to clean a baby in a tub without getting yourself wet. Because the accessibility of the two fixtures depends on the person using them, we'll have to call this one a tie. Let's discuss how tubs and showers can affect the resale value of your home. Having at least one tub in your home can help it sell faster, especially if it's in the master bathroom. This is because most home buyers prefer a master bathroom with a tub, and people are more likely to buy homes that have one or more tubs. Unfortunately though, there's no conclusive evidence that a home with a tub but no shower will sell for more than a home with a shower but no tub. There is evidence that having one of each can increase your home's resale value though. The bottom line is that if you can only have a tub or a shower, a tub might be a better choice since it will help your home sell faster, though it won't necessarily help it sell for more. Now that we've discussed the pros and cons of both fixtures, it's time to determine which is better for your bathroom. So to recap, tubs are generally much cheaper than showers. They're a good option for new parents, and having at least one in your home makes it more attractive to prospective buyers. Meanwhile, showers cost much more, but they take up significantly less floor space, they use less water, and they're more accessible for senior citizens and people with disabilities. Ultimately, whether you should get a tub versus a shower comes down to which of these factors you prioritize more highly. If you have multiple bathrooms, the best choice is to install at least one of each. If you only have one bathroom though, you can still get the best of both worlds by installing a shower-tub combo. This design features a freestanding tub with a waterproof shell on the walls around it and a shower head installed above it. This design is pretty popular because it allows you to shower when you need to and bathe when you want to. Be aware though that shower tub combos are generally more expensive than simple tubs, and they have all the same accessibility problems. If these concerns aren't an issue though, then a shower tub combo might be the best option for your home. Now that we've got that out of the way, it's time to book your installation by following the link below. As for me, I think I'm gonna go have a soak. See you next time.